Like I mentioned in my last video, we'll be looking into JavaScript. We'll take the first steps here. How I'm planning to go through these videos is like I'm learning JavaScript for the first time and I'm going through the MDN Web Docs. So that's where all the materials will be. Like the content of my video will uh, be most of what is already written in MDN Web Docs. It's just in a video like format. That's how I'm planning it. I'll also be adding experiences and the mistakes and the practices which I have made while doing while reading the web docs. So I'm I'm trying to make this into a video format as soon as I complete every guide. It's what it's called here. The prerequisites are very simple. Like you need to know a general, you need to have a general idea of the web, and then HTML and CSS. Those two technologies are can be learned pretty easily. It shouldn't take more than a week. You could learn it directly from the MDN docs or from any other resource. It's fairly easy. If that is sorted, we can start with learning JavaScript. Now, why do you even need to learn JavaScript? If you want to learn web development, JavaScript plays a really important role. Both in front end and back end, JavaScript can be put into really good use. In the first guide, I'll show you the importance of JavaScript. They have pictured it into a cake where the all the magic stuff happens with JavaScript. You put in the structure, apply the styles, and all those pop-up boxes or dynamic content can be achieved with JavaScript. There is also some resources on APIs, how to implement them in JavaScript. What are even APIs? We'll look into that also in the next video. And by the end of this series, I'm also learning it, so we should be able to do some cool stuff, not just the static HTML and CSS websites, but something really cool. We should be able to utilize JavaScript to its maximum, and let us see how it goes.